All right, guys, wanted to showcase off another custom build coming out of the shop. This customer brought this beautiful W900 in here. Came in, we gave it a full cab restoration and painted it up. Paint everything to match cab, tank. 4310 blower on it. Nice little 12-inch box on this side. You can see it's got a row of lights in the tray, row of lights across the top. Has a sight tube on the back. 6-inch sump dump, tool tray style bumper. A little different up at the upright D's, no work lights. Got an 8-inch strobe up top. This unit turned out real pretty. We're real happy to see how it shaped up from what it came in as. Can't wait to see this one going down the road.